Using a standard credit card for your grocery runs often means missing out on hundreds of dollars in actual value each year. Most people use a basic card that provides no real return. But the Financial World Elite Mastercard offers specific benefits that can cover a large portion of your annual food costs. This card has no annual fee and includes several insurance protections that usually cost extra at other banks. First, the point system is designed for people who shop at Loblaw's affiliated stores. You get 30 points for every dollar spent at participating grocery stores. If you shop at Shoppers Drug Mart or Pharmaprix, that rate goes up to 45 points per dollar. To put that in perspective, spending money on medicine or snacks at those locations gives you 4.5% back in rewards. You also get at least 30 points per liter at Esso and mobile stations. You can trade these points for cash off your bill once you hit 10,000 points, which equals $10. The card also includes a collision damage waiver for rental cars. If you pay for the full rental with the card and turn down the rental agency's own insurance, you are covered for damage or theft of the vehicle for up to 31 days. This covers cars worth up to $65,000. It doesn't include liability insurance, so you still need your personal policy for that, but it handles the costs for the car itself and any administrative fees the rental company might charge. For general shopping, the card provides purchase assurance and an extended warranty. If you buy something and it gets stolen or damaged within 90 days, the insurance can cover the loss. It also adds 1 year to the manufacturer's warranty on most items. If your fridge or computer breaks shortly after the store warranty ends, this feature pays for the repair. There are also services like identity theft assistance and a concierge. The concierge can help with tasks like booking a table at a restaurant or finding tickets for events. More importantly, if someone steals your personal information, the identity theft service provides legal experts to help you fix your credit file and file the necessary reports. The most valuable feature is the $1 million travel emergency medical insurance. For anyone under 65, this covers the first 10 days of any trip outside your province or country. It pays for hospital stays, doctors, and emergency flights home if needed. This replaces the need to buy a separate travel insurance policy, which typically costs $60 to $80 per trip. To get this card, you usually need a personal income of $80,000 or a household income of $150,000. If you already have a basic PC card, check your app. They often offer instant upgrades that don't change your credit score. There is also an insider's version of the card that adds free grocery pickup and delivery. This card is built for people who want to get the most value out of their daily spending on food and gas. It turns necessary chores into a way to save money. If this information was useful, please leave a like to support the channel. You can also comment with the word Mastercard to let me know you found these details helpful.